Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. We are diving into a beginner's guide to achieving a social media visibility on a WhatsApp. Hi, my name is Nehul Brahmabhat and I am a founder of an international IT company called MatrixBricks. Stay tuned as we uncover key strategies to boost your presence on this popular messaging platform. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this valuable insight. Step 1. Creating an engaging business profile. The first step to achieving a social media visibility on a WhatsApp is creating an engaging business profile. Make sure to include a clear and captivating description of your business along with the relevant contact information. Utilize appealing visuals such as your brand logo to make your profile visually appealing and easily recognizable. Step number 2. Utilizing a WhatsApp status updates. WhatsApp status updates are a powerful tool to showcase your brand's personality and engage with your audience. Share behind the scenes content, product updates, special offers, or even entertaining stories. Make use of images, videos, and text to create engaging and attention-grabbing status updates that keep your audience coming back for more. Step number 3. Leveraging broadcast list. WhatsApp broadcast lists allow you to send a message to a multiple contacts simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful for sharing important updates, promotions, or exclusive content with your audiences. However, ensure that the messages are personalized and relevant to each recipient to maintain a personalized touch. Step number 4. Encouraging two-way communication. Social media is all about engagement and WhatsApp is no different. Encourage your audience to ask a question, provide a feedback, or share their thoughts. Respond promptly and genuinely to their messages, creating a sense of a connection and building a trust. By fostering two-way communication, you create a loyal and engaged community around your brand. Step number 5. Promoting WhatsApp on other channels. To maximize your social media visibility on a WhatsApp, promote your WhatsApp presence on other channels. Add a WhatsApp links and buttons to your website, social media profiles, and email signature. Encourage your followers to join your WhatsApp community and provide exclusive content or offer available only through a WhatsApp. This cross promotion will drive a traffic to your WhatsApp and expand your reach. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell so you won't miss out our upcoming videos. We have more exciting tips, insights on social media marketing coming your way. See you on my next video.